Okay, got lots of crypto news for you. So this is all the crypto news today that you need to know. Is crypto crashing? What's going on? What are the reasons for this? I'm going to take you through everything that you need to know, and I promise I'll do it really quickly. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, please. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, so let's get into this deal. As of right now, crypto's down 7+%. We got Bitcoin down 7, Ethereum down 8, and so forth. Solana down 12, BNB down 8, 9, XRP, so forth. Cardano down 8, and the bleeding just continues. So is this a crash? No, this is a retracement. This is something that we, quite frankly, were kind of expecting. This is from Rect Capital, and I wanted to share this with you. So historically, we've entered into what we call the danger zone. This is the orange period, and this is right here. You see on the right-hand side, make sure you guys can see this. No, you cannot. Let me move that. We're basically where that blue circle is. We're entering into what Rect Capital calls the danger zone, which I think is a great term for this. This is a historical precedent that has happened time and time again. In 2020, the retrace in the orange zone, the danger zone, was 20%. In 2016, it was a 40%. As of right now, we are just about down about 15% or so. And so this is something to be expected, looking at historically what's happened leading into the Bitcoin halving, right? So historically, these retraces happen 14 to 28 days before we lead into a Bitcoin halving event. Now, that's not all that's going on, but I'm just letting you know that that is something that's at play here. Okay, so there's some other things that you need to know that are transpiring. There's a lot of stuff to cover. The FOMC, the Federal Reserve meeting started today. Tomorrow we'll get an announcement from them. That's what's highlighted here in the pink red. Okay, so that's what's going on there. So again, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. What are they going to do? What are they not going to do? That's at play. All right, we got a little bit of ETF outflows, and I think that the actual money flowing out, like in Grayscale, it was, they had 642 million outflow. Again, I will always say, if the GBTC outflows really is money going out of GBTC and people going to the other ones like ARK and Fidelities and things of that nature, BlackRock's ETFs. But what could be more important is the headlines making, out there, and the fear and uncertainty around that, right? Oh my God, there's 642 million outflows from GBTC. Oh my God, the sky is falling, that kind of thing. Okay, just again, it's at play. And I think that's more of an emotional trigger than the actual impact that that's having. I mean, I'm going to remind you of the Bitcoin volume. There's Bitcoin volume is $69 billion. So 642 million as far as a GBTC selling is not enough to move that needle per se, if you get my point. All right. So just always look at volume. Okay. So we talked about the pre-halving retracement. We've already talked about that. We have had a situation where quite a bit of capital was liquidated. $524 million was basically are facing liquidations, right? And so, I mean, this is a big one. All right. These were long positions for Bitcoin, things of that nature. Okay. So again, lots of things at play here. Overall, we just kind of got a mixed bag of a lot of fear and uncertainty, retracement, FOMC meeting, the press out there talking about the Bitcoin ETF outflows. I gave you that. You just got a lot of negative kind of sentiment here playing out. And oh, by the way, not to mention just kind of on the macro stage, different various things that are happening out there that are outside of crypto. Again, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Okay, now let me share with this real quickly. This is the Bitcoin chart. Every single candle you see here is 6 hours worth of trading data. Gotta say, look, this was my software that said, hey, buy here down here in the lower left and then sell there. And then 48 days, that was 76%. My point to you is my software flagged it and said, get out of Bitcoin. If you're looking at short-term trading, okay? If you're looking at buying and hold long-term, again, I own Bitcoin long-term. This is like, mid to, like short to mid trading. If you're doing like, 40 days, 60 days, 7 days. But my point is my software flagged it and said, sell. And here we go. We've moved down. You see what I'm saying, right? So like right here where the green circle is, the software, that red momentum down box was a sell alert. So you could have had that set to send to your device, basically sell. Same thing for like looking at SHIB as an example. Again, flagged it here, buy, sell, let's say 57 days, 235% up. If you'd bought soft SHIB on that buy alert 57 before that period down here in the lower left that's circled, it's 235%. $2,000 bought would have made you a profit of $4,700. But again, right where the green circle is in the upper right-hand corner, the software said it's time to sell before SHIB started moving down. So get out, right? That's what the software gives you help with and insight to do. So links in the description below if you want to try it. Look, there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee right there. Refund. If you're not happy, you don't like it, or whatever it is, you try it. You basically get 30 days to try it. If you don't like it, it costs you nothing. There's a discount code down there as well that makes the software cost about $1 a day. So my point to you is, how'd you like to not be flying blind, have gotten notifications of when to buy or sell even right now, get out, lock in those profits of Bitcoin, SHIB, Polygon, whatever cryptos you're in, it will work and track all of them. Okay. So with that, as always, I appreciate you. Have a good one. Try it out. I'll see you. Bye. This is nothing to worry about. This is a kind of expected retracement. So we got. Bye.